Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make brownies very easily. To begin, gather your ingredients. You'll need basic pantry staples like cocoa powder, sugar, and all-purpose flour. Don't forget butter and eggs, which are crucial for that rich texture. Also, make sure you have a baking pan ready, ideally an 8 by 8 inch square, to ensure even baking. This simple preparation sets you up for success. Now, let's mix that delicious batter. First, melt 1/2 cup of butter and combine it with 1 cup of sugar until smooth. Next, whisk in 2 large eggs one at a time, along with 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, ensuring everything is well incorporated. Finally, gently fold in 1 cup of all-purpose flour and 1/3 cup of cocoa powder until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. It's time to bake your brownies to perfection. Carefully pour the prepared batter into your 8-inch baking pan, spreading it evenly. Place the pan into a preheated oven and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 25 minutes. To check for doneness, insert a toothpick into the center. It should come out with moist crumbs, not wet batter. This ensures a fudgy interior. The hardest part is waiting, but it's essential. Let your brownies cool completely in the pan for at least 1 hour before cutting. This allows them to set properly and prevents crumbling. Once cooled, cut them into 16 even squares. You can enjoy them plain or, for an extra treat, serve them warm with a scoop of vanilla ice cream. Enjoy your homemade, easy brownies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.